Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do shuffle double combs. Now, knowing how to do shuffle combs would be really useful, and it wouldn't be a bad idea to also know shuffle man combs as well. Links in the description below so you can find the videos for those moves nice and easily. But if you're ready, it looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so let's break it down. Starts off exactly like standard shuffle combs. So we go back to two hands, we go left, we go right, we comb the lady, we come square, we comb the lady, we come square. This is where it changes, and it's important that we kind of set ourselves up for the point where it changes, because if you were some distance apart, you can still make the normal combs work. But we need to have made sure we've gotten a little bit closer, because it's really difficult to do the double comb if you're too far apart. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a rock, and we're both going to go just straight forwards. And as we do that, the right hand, guys right, ladies left, is going to go up and over. Low hand stays low, and it basically controls where we go, because we get the comb, we're almost going back to back. We rock back onto the back foot, and as we take the hand through the middle, we come square and recollect. So again, we rock forwards, guys right, ladies left. This time the guys left, ladies right comes over the top. The right for the fella stays low. We go over, release, bring the hand down, come back square. And now you go back to lady combs. You could equally go to man combs if you know the man combs. But we'll do the lady one because it's the one most people know. So we go lady comb, return. So that's exactly the same exit you use in the standard shuffle combs. So let's do it from the other side, and we'll talk numbers. So we go back, 1, we go left, 2, right, 3, comb the lady, 4, square 5, comb the lady, 6, square 7, then we're going to comb both of us, 8, square 1, comb both of us, 2, square 3, then the lady 4, square 5, lady 6, return 7, and back 8. That is the whole shebang. So back to the top, let's try it together. Here we go. 5, 6, shuffle double combs. You go a back, left, right, lady, square, lady, prepare, both, square, lady, square, lady, return, and back. That's the whole thing. Now, that's nice, but I want to give you one extra idea at the end, and that's instead of ending as a shuffle combs, end as a shuffle man combs. So what you would do is exactly the same setup. So you go left and right, you do the lady, then you do the double, and do the double, but go from there into the man and the man. And actually, I find that that feels slightly nicer on the pickup after the double, because the lady was doing forwards, and if she goes into a man comb, she gets to go forwards again, whereas if you do back to lady combs, you have to change your direction and make her go behind again. So you kind of had to interrupt her flow. So both work, both good moves, but I'll let you judge which one you like. In fact, try them both and tell us in the comments below which one you prefer. Okay, so that's it. Thank you very much for watching World of Floorcraft. Do like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Music recommendation on the end, and we will see you next time. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.